Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Duolingo Stories for better listening. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is going to be the listen first approach. So listen without reading. Before looking at the text on the screen, try to listen to the audio line by line to understand the context. Also, you can try to close your eyes. So to fully train your ear, try listening to a segment with your eyes closed, then open at them to confirm what you heard. You can also use the turtle button. So if the audio is too fast, click the turtle icon to hear the sentence spoken slowly, helping you pick up individual words and sounds. There are also active engagement techniques like shadowing and speaking aloud. As you listen to the story, repeat the phrases aloud. This helps link the audio to the meaning and improves your own pronunciation and rhythm. You can also replay frequently, so do not be afraid to replay stories or individual lines multiple times to reinforce what you have learned. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.